Hi, welcome back to another Teach Me Interactive unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the ATACR 5-25x56 rifle scope by NightForce. So as you can see, have the ATACR 5-25x56. Let's open her up. So right off the bat, you can see comes with some sticker swag, a manual here, even more sticker swag, a nice little cleaning cloth for your lenses, little Allen key to help adjust the scope, the actual scope, and in here we've got a couple things. First off, we have shade. So in here is the power throw lever. It's quick magnification changes. It's going to be a little Allen key and a lever in there. We're not going to open it up right now. And also a beauty ring for the windage turret. Get all this out of the way and take a look at the scope. So it's a really good looking rifle scope by NightForce. It is a first focal plane scope, which means the reticle will adjust as you adjust the magnification, and it does come with a zero stop, as you can see right here. So you'll want to use one of those Allen keys to open up this, set your true zero, lock it back up, put the top of the turret back on, and that'll be your zero stop. So some really great chunky looking turrets here. They have a really satisfying click, and you know, obviously it'll always go back to that zero stop once you set it. On the left side we have the parallax, which will help focus depending on how many yards out. It goes from 0 to infinity. You have to unscrew it, and you can adjust the turret from here. Again, really nice sounding clicks. Fairly heavy scope, but it does feel really well made. Down here you can adjust this, but your lens cap actually you can also adjust depending on how much you want to turn that part of the scope. The lens caps do flip up, which is really useful for keeping them out of the way, but you know, still on hand. The tube diameter on this is 34 millimeters, and it is this specific model has a mil-R reticle, but the ATACR does actually come with MOAR, mil-C, H59, and Tremor 3 reticles available as well. They are digillium illuminated for your convenience. Yeah, so the glass on this looks really great, really high quality. It's set into the scope a little bit, so it'll, you know, you have to worry about scratching your glass. Yeah, let's see how much this scope weighs and how long it is. So again, a fairly heavy scope. It's going to come in at 2 pounds, 7 5/8 ounces. So again, yeah, pretty heavy, but very durable. Lasts you a long time. And then for the length, bring out the ruler here. Obviously, it is longer than a foot. As you can see, its exact measurement is 15.37 inches long. So quite a long scope, not too compact, but get the job done.